guys. It is Saturday afternoon, no, evening now. I meant to start this vlog like yesterday, or like, well, actually I meant to start it earlier today, but we went out last night and I had too much fun. And I didn't get, like, I'm just not leaving the house because I had to like recover and stuff. So yeah, so we are officially having a kid-free weekend right now. That's explains the turn up from yesterday, and I will insert clips right about now. Guys saw we had a lot of fun. So now I'm about to I am out and about running errands and stuff, and I'm gonna get a couple things for the house. I'm gonna give me some snacks and stuff for tonight because I want to watch Dear White People because the new season started. So I wanted to get me some snacks for that, to enjoy that, and also I need some snacks to enjoy my Sunday shows tomorrow. So I already have that, and I'm going to meet baby girl. I'm going to meet my dad tomorrow to get baby girl. Yeah, so yeah, I miss my baby. I do, but I am enjoying my little time. I have the house to myself. He is at work, so this is literally the first time like I've had the house to myself ever, like nobody but me, and it's like so weird. Like I'm excited that I'm excited about the fact that I can mop the floors without any interruption. I'm officially like a for real mom. Like I got legit excited, like, oh my gosh, I can do the floors and I won't get interrupted. It's like, really, I'm getting excited about that. But yeah, I am excited about that. I want to do that when I get back home, mop the floors and stuff, because oh gosh, I need to do it in the kitchen and in the living room, dining area, all that stuff. So I'm going to do that. So, and I'm also going to film some videos tonight because I want to take advantage of the quietness. I'm going to film some videos. I'm going to edit. I'm just like so pumped. Like I wish I was able to start my day a lot sooner, but it's cool because I had a lot of fun last night, so it's all good. But yeah, I'm just out here just living this kid-free weekend life right now, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna make for dinner and all that stuff, and I will check in with you guys in a little while. Hey guys, I'm back. So I cooked and I did some laundry. I mopped the floors like I was talking about I was gonna do. Oh my gosh, yeah, clean my floors, and I am now waiting for my printer to finish setting up because I bought a printer from Walmart for $19. Like, hell yes. I've been needing a printer since for like forever. But yeah, I saw that and I was like, is this for real? And they had a couple of them. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get this because I need this in my life. And for $19, definitely. So I am working on that right now. Ooh. Working on that right now, and I'm about to start watching the third season of Dear White People, and I got my little snack. I ended up buying some, I don't know if you guys can see, there we go, bought some Oreos. These are the birthday cake flavor, so I am going to eat those and watch the show. I'm probably only going to watch about 2 episodes and I'm going to go to sleep because I am tired. So yes, I am enjoying my kid-free weekend. He just went out with the guys, so I am home alone. Yes. So I'm going to watch some Netflix, and yeah, I'm about to Netflix and chill it by myself. And I'm probably gonna go in the room, in our bedroom, in a little while, and probably watch maybe one more episode after I get everything set up here and call it a night. So I will see you guys tomorrow for my last day. Well, I guess technically this is my last day of Kid Free Weekend because we'll get her tomorrow. But yeah, but I'll see you guys later.